Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with the all new TK1 from Mooncool. This is my first ever electric tricycle and I cannot wait to show it off to you guys. I just got done with my first test drive and I'm going to talk all about that in a moment. We're going to do a 360 view walk around and I'm going to show you all of the features. But first off, I just want to say, how awesome does this look? So tricycles, you may or may not have, you might think of like little kids or something, but this is definitely the adult, all grown up, flashy, cool version of a tricycle that's going to give you tons of safety, stability, and efficiency and power. It's the perfect balance. It looks super sharp. You've got all of these style points, and let me tell you, this is a super, super comfortable ride. But it does not lack in any power. It's got a 400-watt motor on it. It's got a big battery. And you're going to have all of that range and speed that you come to want from your typical electric bicycle. The only difference is you have 3 wheels, more stability, a bigger, wider, more comfortable seat, and Mooncool is going to include for you 2 absolutely free boxes for the front and back. These baskets are going to be great for carrying your supplies. Maybe you're a delivery driver, maybe you are commuting, or you need to take this to the grocery store. Or you're taking this out camping. This is a perfect trike for you. So my first impressions was I was just blown away out of the box. This is 95% assembled. So it is ready to go. Some of the secrets in that is it does fold in 2 different places, one right here, one here. I will show you guys this on screen. This is also great for storage. So since it is a little bit wider than your traditional bike, maybe you have a smaller garage, you have a smaller place to keep this. This does fold up so it takes up a less square foot blueprint in your garage. No worries about that. Because it does come kind of folded, it's almost pre-assembled. It's 95% done. You're good to go out the door in only a few moments, and there's nothing hard or technical about the assembly. Some other e-bikes that I've tried out, you really have to have kind of a working knowledge of brakes and how to align the wheels and all that kind of stuff. I did not experience that at all with the Mooncool. It was super easy to assemble, ready to go, and ready to get your first ride on, which is super exciting. This does have a big updated battery right here in the back. One of the things that I love about this battery is that it gives you a long range. So you're going to be able to go fast and go far on a single charge. It also charges up quickly. And about that battery, over time with your charge, you're not losing the efficiency the way older batteries have done. This is still going to charge and give you that long battery life year after year, which is very important for the longevity of your e-bike, especially if you are using it quite often, or e-Trike, I should say. So this does have all of your things that you want for safety. You've got a horn, you've got a blinker letting people know where you are turning, and you've got a really big bright headlight up here. Like, this is huge. So that's great. You can use this even in low light or dark conditions. People are going to be able to see you coming, and you're also going to be able to see the road ahead of you and what's going on, which is super important. You've got your phenomenal brakes. You've got a nice little throttle right here, which I always really like any of my e-bikes or trikes to have. I just think it's a great way to be able to control the power and control how you are going. Speaking of the power, you're talking a 500-watt motor. So this is going to go quite fast. It zips, it's got acceleration. So again, if you're using this in traffic and you need to get around, you need to accelerate, it's got you. You're going up hills, it's got you. You just want to go a little bit faster so you can commute and you can get to where you are going. This has got you. Even with the extra wheel, even with the baskets, even with a larger person or a lot of stuff that you might be carrying, that 500-watt motor is going to get you there with ease. You do have a nice little screen right here that's going to show you exactly how much power you're using, show you how much battery you have left, the level of your pedal assist, and basically all of your metrics going on right here. You've got keys for your battery, so you can take that out whenever you like. And As far as accessories go, this is unparalleled. I've never had an e-bike or trike before that had a water bottle holder. I think that's really, really fantastic. That is so smart and so thoughtful of them. And of course, you've got your basket in the front. This is going to be great. You can carry your backpack for school, you can carry your briefcase for work, you can carry your groceries home, maybe you're picking up some flowers from the farmer's market, whatever it may be, you've got a front basket. You've also got this larger back basket. If you're a delivery driver, this is going to be for you. If you are somebody who is carrying a lot of things, a lot of books, whatever it may be, this is going to be for you. If it doesn't fit in the front, you can put it here in the back. And one thing I love about this one in the back, it does have a protective net to make sure that, you can kind of keep an eye and see this one. You might not know exactly what's going on back here, but it does have that mesh net to make sure everything is held down in place and you're not losing anything while you are on the road. This has great tires, and speaking of the tires, really everything in the back as far as like going over humps, bumps, things in the road, you've got great suspension, you've got great big tires, so you're not going to be able to feel those. You're still going to have a very smooth, comfortable ride. But probably my favorite feature about this tricycle is that it does have rear differential in the back. So what this means basically, I'll let you in a secret, not all tricycles have that. This means that each wheel can move more or less independently of each other. So this is going to add to the safety of the tricycle. It's going to allow you more stability, more efficiency. So if you are turning, if you are going over, a sidewalk or a pothole or uneven streets in any sort of way, this allows the wheels to move independently and give you a much more smooth, safe ride. That is so, so incredibly important. It's not something that comes standard on every tricycle, but it does come standard on the Mooncool, and it's so important. It is an elevated, upgraded feature that's going to keep you safe and also keep you smooth and comfortable while you're riding, and your stuff smooth and comfortable. You don't want it, hitting a bump or something and not have that rear differential going on. So this seat, let me tell you, the most comfortable seat that I've ever sat on. You can see how big and wide this is. This is great for longer rides, which coincidentally, this has a huge long range. So even on your longer rides, you're gonna stay comfortable. If you are a larger person and you need a little bit more stability back here, this has got you covered as well. Overall, I was so happy riding this. I felt very safe, very secure, and more like I could take a very leisurely ride compared to some of the e-bikes that I've ridden that are fun, they're fast, but they're a little bit more sporty, and you definitely have to be kind of more paying attention, a little bit more involved in just riding the bike. This is something that you can really stop and smell the roses, you can enjoy your environment and take more of a leisurely stroll because you just have extra stability going on in the back. If you are not super confident with riding a bike, maybe you haven't done that in a while, maybe you're a little bit older or a little bit younger, or just not as confident on a bicycle, this is a great, great option for you. It's still going to allow you to get some exercise. You have up and down on your pedal assist, so you can always turn that pedal assist down and use this for exercise just with the added stability. Or say you are carrying a bunch of stuff, or you're tired after a long day, you want to up that pedal assist, turn that all the way up, and this is just basically cruising and gliding and doing all of the work for you with that big 500-watt motor. I absolutely love this. I think it is a beautiful, beautiful tricycle. It looks sporty. It looks cool. It turns heads. It's safe. It's got, look at this, headlight is absolutely enormous. I will show you guys that on screen. It has your brake lights, your tail lights, and your blinker lights. A lot of these bikes don't have any of those things, but they especially don't have the blinkers, which I really, really like to be able to tell people where I'm going. You've got a horn. It's quite loud. I'm going to show you guys that, all of that as well. You do, of course, have your big, big basket in the back with the net to make sure nothing's blowing out, nothing's going all over the place. You've got these nice fenders covering up both of these wheels, so if you do go over a puddle or mud or anything like that, you don't have to worry about it hitting you. That is a really, really great feature as well. You guys know how I feel about a throttle. I love that. Adds a little bit of sport and fun to your tricycle as well. This does come in various colors, so you can check that out on the listing, which of course I'm going to drop for you below. And they have some great deals going on. The most comfortable seat that I've ever sat on, really, really fantastic brakes. And don't forget, you guys, they even thought of you to add a nice little water bottle right here so you can keep hydrated while you're on the go, while you're enjoying this superior battery with your fantastically powerful motor. You've got the rear differential in the back that's going to keep you safe, and it's going to keep your ride nice and smooth. You've got everything right here on your display screen, which is absolutely fantastic, and to tell you all the information that you need to know while you are configuring and you're using your pedal assist for your perfect, ideal, customized to you tricycle ride. I absolutely love this one. I know you guys are going to love it as well. And don't forget, it does come 95% pre-assembled with your free boxes or baskets, excuse me. And if you do need to store this, you need to put it in the back of your car. It does fold right here and right here into a much smaller blueprint, so it's easy to fit in your garage. It's easy to fit in the back of your SUV. Overall, I've been so happy with Mooncool. I was so excited, and I know you guys are going to see this on my face on my first ride. This was so much fun, and I cannot wait to just get out and log some more miles on this. I absolutely love it. I know you guys are going to love it as well. Go ahead, you guys, get to shopping.